Our objective is to look at our second president, John Adams. It's hard being number 2. And examine the XYZ Affair and the causes and effects of the Alien and Sedition Acts, one of the first major tests of the First Amendment. Okay, the U.S. sent 3 people, Charles Pinckney, Elbridge Gerry, and John Marshall, to France to work on a peace settlement. The 3 French officials, who became known as X, Y, and Z, demanded a bribe and a loan for France. This angered and insulted. The Americans ended up refusing this bribe. Millions for defense, but not 1 cent for tribute. Okay, an alien would be considered a foreigner, someone not from your country. Sedition means stirring up a rebellion against the government. And deport means to expel or kick out. So the Alien and Sedition Acts were passed in 1798. Federalist law intended to stop the Democratic Republicans from gaining power. Okay, allowed the president to deport any alien considered dangerous to the country. The number of years an alien had to wait to become a U.S. citizen increased from 5 years to 14 years. Okay, and these laws helped stop immigrants from voting for the Democratic Republicans. The Sedition Act, anyone found guilty of sedition could be fined or sent to prison. The law was aimed at Democratic Republican newspapers. Yo, that's whack. And illegal, too, because hopefully you know from your Constitution test that would violate the First Amendment. Kentucky and Virginia resolutions, Thomas Jefferson claimed that the Alien Sedition Acts were unconstitutional. So Kentucky and Virginia claimed that the states had the right to nullify any federal law they believed to be unconstitutional, which would back up your state's rights. Nullify means to cancel. The Federalists believed that only the Supreme Court can declare a law unconstitutional. And we will get to that next with Marbury versus Madison.